So we're gonna watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. The bead done. I wish they were watch out on already. There we go. It's gonna be watch out. And we're gonna watch out. Because that's what we do, we watch all beads on. Yep, watch out. Watch out. Well, they're not one to watch out, are they? We'll make them watch out. We'll ram a rod through them. Now they'll watch out. Watch out, see? They'll watch out. Everybody thinks I'm crazy because I watch out. I can't help it, I like to watch out. But watch out, watch out. So we got going. You won't see it. Got it going. We'll watch on. Watch on here. Watch out! Watch out! Watch out, honey. Even watch out my dog. Yeah, get in. Here. I brought the in because it's in around. We'll watch on here. So we got watch holes. We got the watch holes right here. We got watch holes. See this necklace I made here? Watch holes. Hold on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.